Welcome to our YouTube video on raw materials. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what raw materials are in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Raw materials are the basic, unprocessed resources used in manufacturing and engineering to produce finished goods or components. They can include metals, minerals, plastics, wood, or natural fibers. Think of raw materials like the flour, sugar, and eggs in baking. They are the essential starting ingredients that get transformed into the final product. So, why is it so important to understand what raw material is? Because it forms the foundation of every production process. Knowing your raw materials helps ensure better product quality, cost efficiency, and stronger supply chain management. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.